nacho cheese, nacho fries, flaming hot grilled cheese burrito, fire sauce,
Only way to eat a burrito. Ooh. Y'all got a cheese crust. Chimichurri. I want a bite. More chimichurri. I need to take a break. To eat it, cheese crusted, jalapeno.
In and out full eating video.
Damn, no spread. Sadness.
The spread makes a big difference.
Yeah, it does.
This is my first time eating it without the spread. That's kind of crazy, you guys. They forgot our spread.
No, the guy who asked us if we wanted spread
I know.
didn't give us spread.
Like, and we didn't even like bother to check because In-N-Out never messes up. It's still good though. And they only gave us 2 singular napkins. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm obsessed. Like, I'm addicted to Mormon Secret Lives of Mormon Wives. It's so good. The tea on the show. Let's take another bite. God dang, this thing exploded.
Oh my.
Well, that's really spicy. That's really, really spicy.
Poppin'.
I don't think the chilies are usually that spicy. Oh my gosh.
Grab a different one. I see people pour the whole thing on.
I know. Ooh, that was spicy. Yeah, it tastes not the same without the spread.
Yeah,
You need like,
a little bit. But you put a lot, but
yeah. Ooh, I'm spiced out. You guys, In-N-Out forgot my spread. This is my first time eating the burger without spread, and all I'm gonna say is it's not the same. It's still good though. Mmm.
I love In-N-Out.
Yeah, it doesn't hit the same.
Yeah.
Oh, we saw Running Man yesterday. Good movie.
Oh yeah. Good movie.
I was pleasantly surprised.
You should tell them about your
No.
mistake.
No, I'll tell them. I went to the bathroom and it was really dark in there. And my boyfriend was wearing shiny shoes. So when I was going up the stairs to find my seat again, I just saw shiny shoes. So I was like, okay. Because it's like you can recline at this movie theater. And I was just trying to sit down really quick. So then I go to sit down. But there's a lady in that seat. And I was like, oh my gosh.
You almost sit on her.
I was so embarrassed. I told my boyfriend, I was like, we have to go. I wanted to leave. Let's try to dip it with some of the spread on here. I need some spread. Oh, there we go. Mmm. Wow, those chilies are spicy.
Man, I usually put more spread on my fries.
Oh, and they only put like, I'm not even joking you, 1 dot of spread on his fries. In-N-Out's feeling sassy today, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, my nose is running from how spicy that was. But I think we're gonna go shopping today. Get some Christmas gifts for people.
Yeah. Oh,
Huh?
do you think it's packed?
Oh yeah. Now that it's the holidays, it's always gonna be packed. It's time to finally dig into these fries. I dipped my burger in the sauce or the spread on my fries. But ooh, I got these with extra everything. They're like soft today. Mmm. Yeah, you definitely need spread when you come to In-N-Out.
Yeah.
I'm sad. Mmm. Wow.
Smile at the camera.
What?
The chin.
Wow, wow. Well, at least my fries have a bunch of spread on them. On there.
Damn, no spread really is.
It makes a big difference.
That's crazy.
Right? There's not as much flavor. The sauce is the flavor.
Yeah. Wait, do you get animal style or no?
On my burger?
Mm-hmm.
No. Look at how loaded these fries are. Yes. And they were not hard today. The fries are making up for the no spread. Let's finish this burger. Damn, I almost ate my finger right now.
Garlic parm.
lemon pepper, fries with the cheese sauce, hot honey, I'm so nervous to try this one. I'm only having a bite. It's like the original hot. Not too bad. Hot honey with the cheese sauce. Bye.
Hey y'all, today I'm eating fried mozzarella sticks.
Let's eat Burdock and Wingstop. Have a bite. I'm also trying the new fiery lime flavor. This one's really good. It honestly tastes like Takis.
Made a turkey sandwich and Kroger wings. Look at that. Got the hot fries. Dip it in some jalapeno cheese. I just love hot chips and this jalapeno cheese, I swear. Kroger wing. I'm gonna take a bite. Hey, this loaded too. My Sprite.